Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create hole on your floor. Okay, so first I have this one room. Let's say I want to create the hole on the floor or even to the wall also can. Okay, so first thing first, we can change your view to 2D view. And then you can click on your wall. Here we have shape editing. Okay, you can click on shape editing. Okay, so under shape editing, we have two view, which is 2D and 3D. So you need to change on to 3D first. Okay, so you will see your flooring. Okay, so first, let's say you want to draw one rectangle shape on your floor to create the hole. Once you create, you can press right click to cancel. Okay, and then you can click to the shape. So here we have info, which is the indentation. Okay, my wall thickness here I'm using 240. So same goes to my floor. It will be same as for the wall thickness. So meaning that if I want to create hole out of this floor, I need to put indentation for 240 or more than that. Okay, it depends on your wall thickness. Cannot be less than that. Okay, once you create to 240, here mine is 240, so you will see it is see-through. Okay, and then let's say you want to change the sizing, you can still click on it and then you can change the sizing. And if you want to change the direction, I mean the distance between the wall to wall, you can click on it and then you can adjust the number. So let's say here you put down as for 2600. Oh, sorry. Enter. So it will be adjusted. Okay. Same goes to the wall. Just use the rectangle function. Right click and put indentation same or more than your wall thickness. Okay. So when you click complete, go back to see through, walk through. Okay. So you will have your hole. Okay, but then let's say if you want to delete the hole, how can you adjust? The same method, you can go back to 2D view, click back onto your wall, and then you click on your shape editing. Change your view to 3D view, and then you click to the shape and delete. Click to your shape and delete. So when you click on complete, so you will see there's no more hole to your wall or your floor. Okay, so that is how you create hole or to delete your hole on your wall or the floor. Right? So that's all from me. Thank you.